a equals to 2 3 minus 1 2 and fx equals to x square minus 4x plus 7, so that f of a equals to O, that is null matrix, and use this to find a cube and a to the power 5. Okay, it is given that f of x equals to, we have f of x equals to x square minus 4x plus 7. Okay, I'm going to replace x by a and multiplying by identity matrix in constant term, and their order will be same as that of a. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. Then I'm going to multiply here I2, then it will become f of a equals to a square minus of 4 times of a plus 7 I2. Okay, now a square is equals to a into a, which is 2 3 minus 1 2, and again 2 3 minus 1 2, and which will become first column 2 2 is 4, 3 1 is 3 minus 3. It will be 4 minus 3 means 4 and minus 3, and first row and second column will be 3 2 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 3 2 is 6, will be 6 plus 6. Again second row and first column, then it will be minus 1 into 2, then it will be minus 2, and 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2. Again second row and second column will be minus 1 into 3 minus 3, and 2 into 2 will be plus 4. Then it will be 4 minus 3 will be 1, 6 plus 6 12, and minus 2 minus 4, and minus 3 plus 4 will be 1. This is a 2 by 2 matrix, and 1 12 minus 4 1. Okay, now I'm going to find the value of f of a. That f of a equals to a square minus 4 times of a plus 7 I2. The value of a square is 1 12 minus 4 and 1, minus 4 times of a is 2 3 minus 1 2, 2 3 minus 1 2, and again plus 7 times of I2, that is 1 0 0 1. Now it is equals to 1 12 minus 4 and 1 as such, minus I'm going to multiply by 4 in this matrix in each term. Then it will be 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, and 4 1 is minus 4, and 4 2 is 8. Okay, minus is available here, plus I'm going to multiply by 7 I2, then it will be 7 0 0 7. Okay, now here is 1 minus 8 plus 7, then it will be 7 plus 1 8, 8 minus 8 0. This is 12 minus 12 plus 0 will be 0, minus 4 minus minus plus 4, minus 4 plus 4 plus 0 will be 0, 1 minus 8 plus 7, 7 plus 1 8, minus 8 0. Then this is a null matrix of order 2. Then I'm going to write it O. Hence proved f of a equals to null matrix. F of a equals to a square minus 4 times of a plus 7 I2 is equals to O, that is null matrix. Okay, this is how we prove our first part of this question. Now using this equation we have to find the value of a cube. Okay, as we know a cube is equals to a into a square, and here it will give the value of a square is equals to O and plus 4 times of a minus 7 times of I2. Okay, then it will become 4 times of a minus 7 times of I2. The value of a square is 4 times of a minus 7 I2. This is the value of a square. though I'm going to put here the value of a square, that will be a into a square is 4 times of a minus 7 I2, that will be 4a square minus 7a into I2. Okay, then this will be 4a square minus 7a, because of a into I2 will be a. Okay, then this will be 4 into the value of a square is 1 12 minus 4 1, then I'm going to write it here 1 12 minus 4 and 1, and again minus 7 times of a is 2 3 minus 1 2, then it will be 4 times of 1, that will be 4, and 4 times into 12, 4 into 12 will be 48, and 4 into minus 4 will be minus 16, and 4 into 1, again minus of 7 times of 2, 14, into 7 into 3 will be 21, and 7 into minus 1 will be minus 7, and again 7 into 2 will be 14. Here the subtraction will give the value of a cube. I am going to subtract it, that will be 4 minus 14 will be minus 10. Okay, that will be minus 10, minus 10, and 48 minus 21, 48 minus 21 will be 27, and minus 16 plus 7, minus 16 plus 7 will be minus 9, and 4 minus 14 will be minus 10. Okay, this is the value of a cube, this is the value of a cube. Now we have to find the value of a to the power 5 now, and here the value of a cube is, the value of a cube is 4a square minus 7a, that is a cube is equals to 4a square minus 7a, okay, which is equals to 4 into, I'm going to put here the value of a square, the value of a square is a square equals to 4a minus 7i2, then here is 4a minus 7i2 minus 7a, okay, which is equals to 4 into 4 will be 16th a minus of 4 into 7 28 I2 minus 7a. Okay, now a cube is equals to 16th a minus 28 I2 minus 7a, which is equals to 16th a minus 7a will be 9a minus 28 I2. Okay, this is the value of a cube. Now I'm going to find the value of a to the power 4, and here is a to the power 4, which can be written as a cube into a, okay, which is equals to, the value of a cube is 9a minus 28 I2 into a. I'm going to multiply here, then it will be 9a square minus 28 I2 into a, okay, and which will be equals to 9 into a square. The value of a square is 4a minus 7i2, as we have already known the value of a square is 4a minus 7i2. I'm going to put here now minus 28 I2 into a will be a, okay, I2 is a identity matrix of order a. If I multiply by a, then it will be a, okay. Now here is 9 into 4 will be 36 a minus 9 into 7 63 I2 minus 28 a, okay. Here will be 36a minus 28 will be 8a minus 63i2. Okay. Now this is the value of a to the power 4. This is the value of a to the power 4. And we have to find the value of a to the power 5. Now a to the power 5 is equals to a to the power 4 into a. The value of a to the power 4 is 8a minus 63i2 into a. Okay. The multiplication of these two matrices is 8a square. Okay, here and here, minus 63 I2 into A, and I2 into A will be A because of this is identity matrix. Identity matrix into A or A into identity matrix will be A. Here is 8 into the value of A square is 4A minus 7I2, then it will be 4A minus 7I2 minus 63A because of the value of I2 into A will be A. Okay. Now I'm going to multiply by 8 in this bracket, that it will be 8 4 ja 32 A minus 8 7 ja 56 I2 minus 63 A. Okay. Here is 32A, sorry, 32A minus 56 I2 minus 63. Then difference between 32A and my 63A will be 31. 31A minus 50, sorry, minus 31, and negative of 56 I2. Okay, this is the value of a to the power of 4. I'm going to write here clearly the value of a to the power 5 is, a to the power 5 is minus 31 a minus 56 I2. Okay, and by putting the value of a and I2 is a to the power 5 is equals to minus 31, and a is a 2 by 2 matrix, and that is 2 3 minus 1 2, 2 3 minus 1 2. Okay, and minus 56, the value of I2 is 1 0 0 1. This is an identity matrix of order 2 by 2. Here it will be equals to minus 31 is going to multiply in each term of this matrix, then it will be minus 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 62, and here is 3 1 ja 3, and 3 3 ja 9, minus of 39. Okay, and here will be a plus of 31, and it will be minus of 62. Okay, again minus 56, then 56 is going to multiply in each term of this matrix, then it will be 56 0 0 and 56. Okay, now minus 62 minus 56 will be minus 118, and minus 39 minus 0 will be minus 39, 93, minus 93, and 31 and minus 0 will be 31. Again minus 62 minus 56 will be minus 118, minus 118. Okay, then this is our answer, and this is the value of a to the power 5. Okay, here is our answer. Okay.